Hi there, good day. Welcome to video 2 of Selenium IDE automation series. So in this video, I would walk us through on how we can install the Selenium IDE extension on Firefox. As you can see, this is the URL here. This will be in the description of this video. So you just route to this URL and you'll see add to Firefox here. So I'll proceed to add. You'll see this prompt, then you select add. So you can even select allow extension to run in private windows. So we'll add from this point. And Selenium IDE has been added. So to access it, just click OK. To access it, you click on this extension icon here. And you see a list of extensions. So I have Selenium IDE run extension. But before then, I think there should be where I can pin it. So I want to pin it to my toolbar. So upon pinning, you can see here on my page, I have Selenium IDE. Okay, let me proceed to open the IDE. So you can see when you click on the icon after you've pinned, to prompt this page, and you can just select any of these options. You can either choose to open. We just concluded the installation of Selenium IDE on Firefox browser. So proceed to Chrome now. I've opened my Chrome and this is the URL. Again, I will provide this URL in the description of this video. So I would enter. This should route me to Chrome Web Store. Alright, as you can see, Selenium IDE. Oh, this extension is no longer available because it doesn't follow best practices for Chrome extension. Alright, we just move ahead to have our installation on Edge browser there. So this is the Edge browser. I would walk us through how you can install your Selenium IDE extension on Edge browser. The link for this will be in the description of the video below. So when you route to that link, you will see this get button. Then you click that and you select add extension. So to access it, you would have to click this extension icon. Then you can open from here, but before then you can pin to your toolbar with this button. So whenever you open your Edge browser, it will be here always. So I've run us through how we can install Selenium IDE extension on Firefox and Edge. So we'll go through the interface of the IDE. So to open it, you click this once. I will drag this to the middle and I'll select create a new project. So you can just name this test series, then OK. I'll make it bigger. So on the left side of the extension, you have tests. So in this area, you can toggle between test suites, and executing. In executing, if you have any text that is currently running, you can access it via this option.